Bodie is a ghost town located in the eastern Sierra region of California, United States. It was a thriving gold mining town in the late 1800s with a population of about 10,000 people. The town was named after William Bodie, who discovered gold in the area in 1859. Bodie experienced a gold rush in the 1870s and 1880s, attracting miners from all over the world. The town had numerous saloons, shops and businesses that catered to the miners and their families. However, by the early 1900s, the gold rush had ended and many of the miners moved on to other areas. Bodie became a ghost town in the 1940s after the last remaining residents left due to a shortage of resources and harsh living conditions. Today, the town is preserved as a state park and has been designated as a National Historic Landmark. Visitors to Bodie can explore the town's well-preserved buildings, which include a schoolhouse, church and jail. Some of the structures are still filled with original artifacts, giving visitors a glimpse into what life was like during the Gold Rush era. The town also has a cemetery that serves as the final resting place for many of the town's original residents. Bodie is well known for its preserved buildings and eerie atmosphere, making it a popular destination for photographers and history buffs alike.